Okay, let's talk about emails and how you can recover your cards with email messages. It's a most popular way to recover cards among all merchants, and most of the merchants, they use a funnel which looks like that. But we are going to use slightly different strategy. We are going to send messages via cheaper channels first, and then via slightly more expensive afterwards. In our case, we are going to send pushes and emails after 30 minutes, and then SMS messages afterwards. So people who received email or push have possibility to buy, and if they didn't buy, then we try to recover cards with SMS messages. And by using this strategy, you're going to increase your conversion rate significantly, and your ROI will be way much more higher because you will utilize all possible channels. So let's go back to our dashboard and click on Activate and Emails. Here we have free messages available. They are already ready. You have to just simply click a button Activate and choose which messages you're going to activate and send. But just before activating, you also have to make sure that they are going on the right time. So first message will go after 30 minutes, second message after 6 hours, and the last after 23 hours. So we will set SMS messages to go slightly afterwards. You also can activate a discount code. So as soon as somebody clicks on your email, they go directly to your card page, and they will start seeing countdown, which will help them to copy code, and that code automatically will be applied during checkout process. So it's quite useful and makes easier life for your customers. As soon you're happy with the layout, if you want, you can change template, you can edit that template in a way you want, but most of the time all templates are ready for you to go. Just simply click activate and enjoy. Cheers.